Welcome back to my channel. We've got yet another watch ready to be unboxed by me. This is my second purchase during the 11/11 sale, and this one was bought via Lazada from the vendor Watch Spree. I love these guys. Okay, so I made the order on 13th November, I think the last day of the sale, and the watch arrived on 15th November. All right, and nicely packed in a nice cardboard box. Fantastic. All right, I've had really good experience with Watch Spree. I have my high-tech Commando knife with me today. This one is really high-tech stuff. All right, so don't play a fool with this one. You might cut yourself. Okay, I must say this one feels really solid, the overall packaging. I've got a thank you card from Watch Spree. Alright, so I think the lighting is causing a bit of problems. Thank you for your purchase. Alright, thank you for giving us watches at really great prices. Watch Spree, and it's another G-Shock. And it's yet another one of those stone look, cement look type of Casio box. So let's do the camouflage thing with my dining table. Alright, wow. Nicely blend in with my dining table. Okay, wow. So maybe my dining table should be called the Casio packaging table. Let's see if the tin can does the camouflaging as well. Yeah, it does. Okay, interesting. Okay, enough of playing around. Poco time, whatever. That's the warranty card. Okay, getting really close. Ta-da! Okay, here it is. Yet another CasiOak GA2100. I must have 3 or 4 of these things now, alright? So it's a combination of the battery operated ones as well as the solar versions. Right, so what's the main draw about this one? It's got Tiffany colored markers as well as hands, I think. No, hands are white, but we've got Tiffany markers here, and anything Tiffany nowadays is a big thing, so I have to get this one. I had to get this one, alright? It was on sale. I think price was really good. Reference number is GA2100RC. I don't know what RC stands for, but this is part of the color series where it is called Rust and Teal. I don't see anything rusty about this one. I do understand the part about teal, so obviously it's referring to the Tiffany color, the minty blue, minty green, whatever thing, but this is just yet another color variation of the CasiOak. Alright, so very good daily wearers. Don't have to worry about knocking against the doorway or reaching out into the glove box and all that. I think this watch is perfect. So the CasiOak's runaway success since its launch in 2019. Alright, and it has since become one of the classic designs, the 4 big classics in Casio's design museum or something like that. So it is on paper a really big watch, 45mm, but when you wear it, it doesn't feel big at all. It wears more like a 41 or 42, alright, but it is in fact a 45, and there is no lug gap. Okay, there's very little lug gap, but in the world of G-Shocks, this is almost no lug gap. Because if you have a G-Shock King, or I don't know, even 6900, the lug gap here is much bigger. So this is a really nice wearing design. Now if the lens zoom in very slightly, let's take a closer look at the GA2100RC Rust and Teal colorway. I'm seeing a little bit of bronze or brown kind of accents at the end of the hour markers. Oh, actually the prints on the dial, they also match the color scheme, so maybe that's where the rust and teal come from. Okay, so overall it's just really nice. Now we've got a band and case here that's very, very dark grey. It is not black, but of course from afar it just looks black. Okay, so I don't think I'll do a full length review because this is just yet another GA2100 CasiOak. Alright, but maybe watch out for a comparison video between this one and my other CasiOak watches. Alright, so stay tuned for those videos. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.